Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we're diving into something really useful for those of you who own a Samsung Smart TV. We'll be talking about how to easily factory reset your TV when you need to start fresh or troubleshoot some issues. Stick around because I'll guide you through a few simple methods to get it done quickly. Let's get started. Method 1. Using the TV menu. The first method involves using the TV menu itself. Here's what you need to do. Navigate to Settings. Start by pressing the menu button on your remote. Access Support menu. Scroll down and select Support. Find Self-Diagnosis. Now go to Self-Diagnosis and choose Reset. Confirm Reset, you'll see a warning message. Confirm the reset and enter your PIN if prompted. Wait for restart, your TV will restart and go through the setup process again. This method is straightforward and handy if you can navigate the TV menus easily. Method 2. Using remote key combinations. Now, let's talk about another method which involves using remote key combinations. Power off your TV. Make sure your TV is turned off using the power button. Press specific keys on your remote. Press and hold exit, left arrow, right arrow, enter simultaneously for about 10 seconds. Wait for reset. Your TV will power on and begin the reset process automatically. This method is great if you prefer using remote shortcuts for quick access. Conclusion. And there you have it. 2 easy ways to factory reset your Samsung Smart TV. Whether you prefer navigating through menus or using remote shortcuts, these methods should help you out. Remember, a factory reset can resolve many software issues and give your TV a fresh start. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.